Hey guys, welcome back to another Unreal Engine 4 tutorial. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to export your layers from Photoshop into Unreal. And this is a very quick, a very useful method to quickly export all your individual different layers in one document into Unreal. So this is just a quick concept HUD that me and my friend have come up with. So this is basically got your oxygen, stamina, shield, health, a map down here. So to be able to export all of these individual layers, so you can see I've got the oxygen fill, oxygen empty, oxygen icon, all of these. So we have our full bar, our empty bar, and then the icon. If I want all of these separate so I can then manipulate them in Unreal, what we're going to do is select them all. So if you select the top one there, scroll all the way down to your bottom layer, hold shift and left click again, you can select all of these layers. Now up at the top, if you go to layer and then quick export as PNG, and then select where you want it, so I want it in here, select folder, that should have done that. So that should now have exported all of these individual layers. So normally if you save it, it would save it as one image, but we want these as separate layers. So I then go into that folder, you see we now have all of these individual layers. So we have our HUD Photoshop document there, we also have our health empty, health full, and the icon. We have all of these different layers that we want, all individual like that. And now, to import these into Unreal, what we're going to do is open up Unreal here, go to the content browser, and create a new folder just called UI images, something like that. You probably have a place where you want these, and you can simply just drag and drop these in like so. So I select them all, drag and drop them in like that. We now have all these images in here as well, so I can open these up in here, and you can see we have all of these that we want. So this will be it for this video. It's a very quick, simple one to show you this neat, handy little trick to quickly export all your different individual layers instead of having to make a new document for each one. So this is very useful, especially if you want to plan out what your HUD looks like perfectly in Photoshop and then have it put into Unreal like this. And as you can see as well, these keep their image size, so their layer size, not just the size of the document as well. So again, that'll be it for this video. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and I hope you found it helpful. And if you did, make sure to like and subscribe down below. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.